Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics that actually matter. Confirm your laptop has a valid IP and active network, then restart the browser. Once done, clear cache and cookies to remove corrupted search data and disable extensions that intercept queries. Open an incognito window or a different browser to see if search works there. This isolates browser faults from system or DNS issues. If searches return results in incognito, you know to focus on browser profile and extensions. Now you dig into system-level causes. Flush the DNS cache and then change DNS to a reliable resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to bypass ISP DNS problems. This often restores search name resolution. Next, inspect the host's file for accidental blocks of Google domains and delete them. Reset the network adapter and run the built-in Troubleshooter. Note any error codes you see. These steps resolve most cases where the browser can't reach Google. Finish by rebooting both the router and your laptop to apply DNS and adapter changes. Don't skip this step. If the problem persists, create a new browser profile or reinstall the browser. Corrupted profiles keep failing even after fixes. If you suspect malware or a recent update caused the issue, boot into safe mode or use system restore to roll back the change. One key tip: if nothing works, try another device on the same network to check whether the issue is local to your laptop or the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.